In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the GPT Chrome extension step by step so you can open ChatGPT right inside your browser in just a few clicks. This is a great little tool if you want quicker access to AI while you work, research, or browse the web, and it can save you time compared to opening a separate tab every single time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access browser settings and tools. From here, hover over Extensions. A small menu will appear, and in that menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store where you can safely find and install browser extensions. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, go to the search bar and type Smart Sidebar. This is the extension we're looking for. After you search, find the Smart Sidebar extension in the results and click on it to open the extension page. On that page, you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button in the top right corner. Click that button to start the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to download and install it. Chrome will now install Smart Sidebar, and once it's finished, you'll see the extension added to your browser. Next, click the Extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome. This icon looks like a puzzle piece, and it shows you all the extensions that are currently installed. In the list, click on Smart Sidebar. When you select it, the extension will open and bring up ChatGPT inside the sidebar. And that's it. You've now installed the GPT Chrome extension and opened ChatGPT from your browser using Smart Sidebar. From here, you can use it while browsing, asking questions, generating ideas, or getting help without switching away from the page you're on. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.